Hello everyone. What are the biggest challenges of living on Mars? Let's find out. Mars, the red planet, has long captivated our imaginations. It's a world with towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and the potential for groundbreaking discoveries about our place in the universe. With advancements in space technology, the dream of sending humans to establish a permanent presence on Mars seems closer than ever before. But what are the biggest challenges that future Mars colonists would have to overcome? Let's dive into the harsh realities of living on this distant and inhospitable world. First and foremost, Mars presents a significant challenge to the basic human need for a breathable atmosphere. The Martian atmosphere is incredibly thin, with atmospheric pressure roughly 1% of what we experience on Earth. This thin atmosphere offers little protection from harmful radiation and makes it impossible for humans to breathe without specialized equipment. Additionally, the composition of the Martian atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide, renders it unsuitable for human respiration. Future Mars colonists would need to rely on pressurized habitats or suits to survive outdoors and would have to address the constant challenge of producing or importing breathable air to maintain a livable environment. Another major hurdle is radiation. Mars lacks a global magnetic field like Earth's, which shields us from harmful cosmic and solar radiation. Without this protective layer, the Martian surface is bombarded by radiation levels significantly higher than those on Earth, increasing the risks of cancer and other radiation-induced health problems. This harmful radiation would pose a serious threat to the health and well-being of Martian colonists. To establish a sustainable presence on Mars, it will be critical to develop ways to protect humans from this radiation hazard, potentially through shielded habitats, advanced protective suits, or even the development of technologies that can generate an artificial magnetic field. The low Martian gravity is another significant challenge to long-term habitation. Mars has about 38% of Earth's surface gravity, meaning everything weighs significantly less. Our bodies have evolved to function in Earth's gravity, and prolonged exposure to Mars' weaker gravity would have detrimental effects on our health. Studies have shown that living in low-gravity environments leads to muscle atrophy, bone loss, and cardiovascular issues. Adapting to Martian gravity would require rigorous exercise regimens, specialized medications, or perhaps even innovative technologies to simulate the effects of Earth-like gravity. Mars is an incredibly cold and arid planet. With an average surface temperature of about -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees Celsius, it's a far cry from the temperate climates most humans are accustomed to. Martian settlers would need advanced heating systems and heavily insulated habitats to protect themselves from the extreme cold. Additionally, the lack of easily accessible liquid water presents a major logistical challenge. While water ice exists on Mars, particularly at the polar ice caps and potentially in subsurface reservoirs, extracting and utilizing this water for human consumption, sanitation, and other purposes will require advanced technologies and infrastructure. Extensive efforts would be necessary to locate suitable water sources, develop methods for extraction, and create systems for water purification and recycling for long-term survival and use on the Martian surface. Isolation, both psychological and logistical, is another significant challenge Mars colonists would face. Mars is unimaginably far away. At its closest point to Earth, it takes about 6 months to travel between the two planets. This vast distance would lead to a profound sense of isolation for Martian colonists and pose communication delays with Earth. Moreover, in the early stages of colonization, Mars would be heavily reliant on resupply missions from Earth for essential supplies. Limited communication and long resupply timelines would create challenges for dealing with emergencies or equipment failures. A self-sustaining Martian colony would likely take many years or even decades to develop, creating a long period of dependence on critical resources sent from across the vast expanse of space. Beyond these primary challenges, those living on Mars would face numerous other obstacles. The ever-present danger of dust storms, which can whip up dust particles and engulf large regions of the planet, poses a threat to equipment, infrastructure, and the health of colonists. Dust storms could damage solar panels, clog machinery, and even be harmful if inhaled. Developing technologies to mitigate the risks of these storms would be essential. Additionally, growing food on Mars would be an intricate endeavor. Martian soil lacks many of the essential nutrients found in Earth's soil, and the thin atmosphere and intense radiation make it difficult to grow plants outdoors. Martian colonists would likely have to rely on hydroponic gardens, greenhouses, or other advanced agricultural techniques to supplement their food supplies, requiring significant resources and ongoing research. Despite the numerous challenges, the prospect of living on Mars offers exciting possibilities and the potential to expand humanity's horizons. It could lead to groundbreaking discoveries about the history of our solar system, the origins of life, and the possibility of past or even present life beyond Earth. Tackling the technical challenges of living on Mars could spur advancements in fields such as life support systems, space agriculture, energy generation, and resource extraction and utilization that can benefit both future space exploration and life here on Earth. The challenges of sustaining human life in such a harsh environment could drive innovations across multiple fields with far-reaching benefits. In conclusion, while the vision of humans living on Mars is an alluring one, it's crucial to acknowledge the immense challenges that would need to be overcome. The thin atmosphere, harmful radiation, low gravity, frigid temperatures, lack of liquid water, and vast isolation present formidable hurdles. Nevertheless, the prospect of a Martian settlement could ignite breakthroughs in science, technology, and our understanding of our place in the cosmos. As we continue to advance our spaceflight capabilities, the dream of establishing a permanent presence on another planet, however arduous the journey, could well become a reality within our lifetimes. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.